My name is Nitin Mathew, and I had done the Skyfi online course for home automation.
So this is the whole setup where we have our components connected, where we have home appliances such as light bulbs that is connected to the AC input, and our own controllers and micro controllers, Bluetooth modules and all, which are programmed using the USB ASP. So the whole idea is to control the home appliances through our mobile devices. So what happens is that the Bluetooth module over here is connected to the mobile phone through Bluetooth, and using an app downloaded from the Play Store, we can switch on or switch off the appliance. We can have both on, we can have both off. We can modify this by connecting a few fans or probably speakers or any other devices through the same manner, and we can have many devices connected at the same time.